Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to like, subscribe and also share this video. So Sithelo is once again being dragged on Twitter after Tamyelo Mpisane rather posted a video of herself leaving the hospital with her newborn daughter with husband Andile Mpisane, who was once with Sithelo and shares two beautiful kids with her. And of course, you guys remember last year when Andile Mpisane married Tamia and left Sithelo embarrassed and ridiculed by the whole country. And now people are saying it serves her right because that's how she once snatched a married man who was married to Uyathandeka Sibiya, who is the baby daddy to Sithelo's first child, you guys. People are loving seeing Sithelo and happy are saying it's her big payback time, that is karma time, you guys. One tweet even wrote this: if your mother-in-law doesn't like you, there's nothing you'll ever do to change that. Every little mistake you make is going to be magnified. You can definitely tell that Tamia is the favorite Makoti and the other baby mama was never as lucky. And now Mom Kiza threw Tamia and her new baby a huge welcome home party, and people are dragging Sithelo and rubbing it on her face that she wasn't the loved daughter-in-law. Check out this video of Tamia's homecoming and please like, share, comment, subscribe and also hit the bell. Here's the video.